Let's doodle a woven basket. For this project, you'll need our woven basket challenge card, 9 strands of filament, a 3D pen, and a doodle pad. To start off, decide which basket size you would like to create, small, medium, or large. On the back of the challenge card, lay down your doodle pad and doodle 2 of the A pieces. We're making the small basket, so we're doodling A3. Remember to include the notches as you doodle, and go back over the pieces a couple of times to reinforce them. This will become the rim of your basket. Once those pieces have cooled, let's join them together to create the rim of your basket. We'll want to add some additional plastic to reinforce the spots where you connected the 2 pieces. Then pop them off the doodle pad and set them aside. We'll move on to the next step. It's time to move on to create the pieces that will form your wireframe. Again, depending on the size of your basket, you're going to be doodling 12 pieces of either B1, B2, or B3. Since we are doodling the small basket, we're making 12 pieces of B3. The doodle pad comes in handy whenever you are doodling multiple pieces of the same part, as you can see here. Once the pieces have cooled, pop them off the doodle pad and let's get ready to connect them to the rim. Place each wireframe piece on one of the notches, and use some warm filament to join the pieces together. Pinch and hold the wireframe piece in place with your fingers until the plastic is cooled, so that it stands upright when you pull your hand away. This part requires fine motor skills, so be patient as you get all 12 pieces standing up and connected to the rim of the basket. Going back to the stencil and doodle pad, let's make part C, which will form the inside of the basket. Once it's doodled and cooled, pop it off the doodle pad and let's connect it to your basket. Using a dab of warm plastic, connect the B pieces to the C piece, forming the basket's base. Feel free to adjust the wireframe pieces as needed to make things even. Next is the fun part. Using fresh plastic, work your way from the bottom of the bowl to the top rim, filling in the space between the wireframe pieces using a weaving technique. If necessary, use your fingers to adjust the warm plastic before it cools. Feel free to change up the colors as you wish. Once the initial layer of the basket is doodled, go back over the woven areas to fill in gaps and give your basket more strength and structure. Once you are happy with your outer weave, complete your basket by doodling a final layer around the rim. Repeat these steps for the following 2 basket sizes, so that you will have a complete set when you are done. Thanks for watching our Woven Basket Maker Challenge tutorial. Be sure to share your creation with us and check out our other tutorials on our YouTube channel.